आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hi everyone, let us read the question. Feedback inhibition of enzyme action is affected by. First of all, we have to know what is feedback inhibition. So, feedback. What do we understand by feedback in regular terminology? Feedback is like a response, okay, or you can say suggestion, okay. Now, in terms of biology and enzyme action, you can observe that a feedback is achieved when the products start forming. For example, if there is a substrate A and an enzyme B is acting on the substrate and it is forming a product C. Now, when C is formed, this triggers certain receptors to release more of enzyme B or to inhibit the secretion of enzyme B. That is either stimulation or inhibition. We can take a very popular example, that is of a hormone, that is oxytocin. So during parturition, you can see that the contractions of endometrium and perimetrium, which are the smooth muscles, are induced by the oxytocin. And when there is a contraction, the pituitary gland receives another signal to stimulate the release of oxytocin. Okay, so this is like a whole cycle. So oxytocin contractions causes the release of more oxytocin. Hence, this is sort of a feedback. Now, what is causing this feedback to increase or decrease? It is the formation of the product that defines how the feedback is. So as soon as the formation of product starts, the selective receptors are triggered and the feedback is produced. Hence, out of the given options, option A, that is the end of that. So as soon as the product starts releasing, the trigger or the stimulus is passed on, and hence the feedback inhibition starts taking place. In this case, inhibition means to reduce the formation of the enzyme or the secretion of the enzyme. So as soon as the reaction proceeds towards the right side, that is forming the product, the secretion of the enzyme also reduces. Hence, feedback is taken care of. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।